Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sign in HMRC app. So first, open your Chrome and search up HMRC online account and click on this first link. Just wait for it to load up, and then here, you can scroll down and click on this sign in. Just wait for it to load up. As you can see here, you have your create sign-in details. This is for new users of Government Gateway. So simply click on this one. Then here, input your email address. Let's input my email address. Then click on continue. Here you can see the code on the Gmail. And then paste it on this one. And then click on confirm. Now click on continue. Input your full name. Now you must create a password. And then click on continue. I have my Government Gateway user ID. Click on continue. And now you can choose the type of account you need: individual, organization, or tax agent. I will choose individual. Then click on next. And now click on continue. Here you can either add a UK mobile number or no. For me, I will say no. And then just enter your phone number and then follow the following prompts until you made the account. And that's basically it.